In today's video, I'll teach you how to set up VLC Media Player on Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.videolan.org. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official site of Videolan. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for download VLC. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, wait for a while. Now you can see over here .exe file has been downloaded. Simply click on the open icon. Now the VLC Media Player setup will be opened. Click on this option next. Now what you have to do is simply wait for a while. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a while in order to install the VLC Media Player. Now you can see over here VLC Media Player setup has been completed. Click on this option finish. Now you can see over here the VLC Media Player has been installed and set up on your Windows. So that is how you set up VLC Media Player on Windows PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.